それ! Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be going over some Japanese from the Yotsuba manga. We'll be picking up from where we last left off. And as I go along, you can see underneath me, I'm going to be pasting in all the definitions for the words. And over here, you can see I have the manga up. So I'll be zooming in, moving around, highlighting where we are so you can follow along. And with the last time we were here with Yotsuba, they're all here at the pool. It's Yotsuba, her dad, Fuka, Aina, and Jumbo. Right here, Fuka was like mad at Jumbo because he's kind of been jerked the whole time. So she kicks him into the pool and then he apparently can't really swim. Oh, you can't swim? Koiwa is like, oh, that's not a big deal. So she pushes him into and apparently neither of them can really swim, but she can't either. Here we come up, Yotsuba is like, I'll join in. And then don, which is like just whap. She's pushing him in. All of these are just like gasping and wheeze, like geha, then basha 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 basha, like all this splashing. So she can't swim like everyone else. Ha. You too, because she was making a big deal about how they can't swim and then she can't either. What were you doing? So next we have this omae mo Kanazuchi dan. So this omae here is short for omae, which means you. It's not a very polite way to say you. And then mo is also. And this Kanazuchi means a hammer or a hopeless swimmer. So like someone that would swim like a hammer and just sink. And then Jean, isn't it? So like, oh, you're a hammer too. You can't swim either. Ha, sumimasen. Sumimasen, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Next, Yotsuba's like, Yotsuba mo, ochiru. So she wants to get pushed into. So Yotsuba is her name. It's kind of childish to refer to yourself like, me too, Yotsuba too. And then this mo is also, so like, me too, ochiru, to fall or to drop. So it's like, push me too. And then yosh, yeah, okay. Gooey right here is like, he's gooey. He's grabbing a hold of her. And then sore! He's like there and he's just like throwing her. No! Fuka here is like freaking out. This don is like splash. She's like, wah, nah, baka! Idiot. But then nope, it's fine. She's like, sweet. Which is a sound effect like swimming or like a smooth movement that kind of doesn't take any effort at all. Just like effortlessly gliding through the water. So someone can swim. Here's Aina, she's all sugoi! Yotsuba-chan, oyogu no jouzu da ne! Sugoi is awesome, it's amazing! Yotsuba is her, and chan is a suffix for someone who is like younger than you, kind of below you, which is appropriate here because she's younger than Aina. And then oyogu is to swim. And then no is making that describe jozu, which is skill or skillfully. So it's like oyogu no jozu is being good at swimming. And then da is declarative. And then ne is adding emphasis and kind of agreement here. So it's like, oh, you're so good at swimming. Wow. He's like, oh, yeah. And next, the non-swimmers up here. And this is still Aina, by the way, so they're just listening in on their conversation. So Aina, like, watashi mo ne, watashi is I, and mo is also, and this ne is just like emphasis. So it's like, me too. Mo chotto de, this is 25 for 25. Metaru oyogeru nda. So mo chotto, mo is already, and chotto is a little bit. So mo chotto is like in just a little bit more. And then de is like by the means of that. 25, and then metaru. A lot of times I'll just have the M for meters. And this is kind of the furigana here. It's a kids manga, so they have a lot of furigana with a kanji here. So like 25 meters. Oyogeru is the potential form of oyogu, which is to swim. And that is a goran gu ending verb. So to make that to potential, that gu, that u based ending changes to ge with its e based ending, then you add on nu. So oyogu becomes oyogeru, which means you can swim. And then nda, this is casual for the explanatory no. and this da is declarative. So like da together, stating this is a fact, this is a thing. So Ada apparently can swim really good too. In a little bit more, I'll be able to swim 25 meters. What she's saying. Like, we can't even sit in the water. I feel like this is Koiwa is just teasing her because she was teasing them before. Because he's going off like, お前ら大人として恥ずかしくないのか? So お前 again is you, and then da here makes it plural. So お前ら is like you guys, and then 大人 is an adult, and toshite is i.e. like you're in the role of, even though you're adults. And then hazukashikunai is a negative adjective form of hazukashi, which is shy or embarrassed. And to make that e adjective to its negative form, that e just changed to kunai. So hazukashi becomes hazukashikunai, not being embarrassed. And then noka, it's just like endorsing it. They're both like questioning it. So it's like, aren't you embarrassed? Because like you're adults, you should be embarrassed because like only the kids can swim. Then mattaku da! Mattaku is good grief. Just like exasperation, and then da is declarative. Yeah, it feels like no. It means unpleasant or disagreeable. And she's like, no, it's fine. No. And then Yotsuba's like, もう一回投げてくれ. So cute. もう一回 is one more time. So like, one again, do it again. For the 投げてくれ is the てくれ form of 投げる, which is to throw or to cast away. And to make it to its てくれ form, you first change it to its て form. And this is an ichiran do ending verb. So do that. Do just becomes て. So 投げる becomes 投げて. Then just plop on the くれ for 投げてくれ. An informal requests. It's kind of manly. She's just like really young and being informal about it. I also think like she says manly stuff sometimes, and it might be because she kind of just has like a single father situation, so maybe she's copying Koiwa's like speaking patterns. So it might be why she's a little more brusque sometimes. So this is like the kure is just a request, so please do that. So please throw me one more time. And this pyong pyong, just bouncing. She wants to do it again. And then, ダメだよ. Oh no. So dame is no good, not allowed. And da is declarative, and yo is emphasis. So it's like, no, don't do that. It's not good. Oh, it's here. We have our lifeguard who knows a little bit better than everyone else. Don't throw children into the pool. It's common sense. So 危ないから投げちゃダメ. So 危ない is dangerous, and then kara is because. So because it's dangerous, 投げちゃダメ. And this is kind of all together. The nagecha is the form of te wa ikanai, which means like you can't do that. So cha dame instead of te wa ikanai. And what you must not do is nageru, which is throw. The same nageru that we had here, nagete kure. This is it again with this nagecha dame form. So for that, you just would take off the ru and add that cha dame for that. So it's like, it's bad to throw people, obviously. And then, you know, he's like, すみません. It's like, jump over here. Sorry. As you should be. And it's like, aww. Or, well, I think she's more like she notices that chair. Because up next, she's like, toko toko, that's her taking little steps. Those eyes and that face. It's so adorable. Next, we have like, orite, orite. Come down, which is the te form of oriru, which means to descend or to go down, and that is a ichiran nu ending verb, so that nu changes to te, so oriru becomes our orite here, and this te is being used for like a command, or like, you know, asking her like, come down, come down. And then this is just like, what? Nani, o-jo-chan? Like, she's being very polite. She's working here, so that makes sense. She would talk really politely to the customers. So like, Nani is like, what? Jo-chan is like, young lady. What is it, little girl? And then once she's down, Yotsuba was like, yo sit. So she's climbing up. What? So Yotsuba is now stolen her seat. If you want to see what happens after Yotsuba's up there, what plans she has in her tiny head, you'll have to come back later. You have to subscribe, because this is the end of this video. Thank you for hanging out to the end. I hope you had fun and I hope you learned something. I will see you in the next one. またね!